Okay, let's have a go at another complete the square question, and this one's quite a mammoth question. Let's go for it. So, first of all, we check, are all the variables on one side? The n squared is, the n's are, that's my constant, and that's a constant, so yes, we are good to go. All my n's are on the left, so we can proceed with moving this constant over to the right-hand side. Here we go. Moving a negative 68 to the right is going to make a positive 66. Now, we have a leading coefficient other than the number 1, so we're going to have to divide off this 5, like so, and what I do to the left side I have to do to the right side. 5 divided by 5 makes 1n squared. 19 divided by 5 does not simplify, so I get 19 on 5n, and over on the right hand side I have 66 on 5, which doesn't simplify either. Okay, so you can start to see why this is getting a little complex. Because my next step is to take half of this term, square it, and place it over here. Alright, so n squared plus 19 on 5n, half of 19 on 5 is 19 on 10, right? If I did 19 on 5 times a half, I would have 5 times 2, making that 10 there. So that's halving the 19 on 5, but now we have to square it, which looks like this. Okay? And what I've done to the left side, I have to do to the right side, so I have to do 66 on 5 plus 19 on 10 squared. Now my equation is balanced. And the left side always turns out to be a perfect square, so we get 9 plus 19 on 10 times by n plus 19 on 10. Okay, so let's just check this. N times n will make that n squared. The 19 on 10 times the 19 on 10 will give me the 19 on 10 squared. And then when we do the n times the 19 on 10, add it to the 19 on 10 times the n, I should get the 19 on 5n, and I do. Right, now the next bit is to simplify all of this. Now you may want to use a calculator for this bit, just for now anyway, because I want to keep this video short. So this will work out to be 1,681 over 100. Okay. Right. So next bit is to simplify this, and we get n plus 19 on 10 squared is equal to 1681 on 100. Let's get rid of the square by square rooting both sides. And now we have to move the 19 on 10 over. And just so you know, the square root of 1,681 is 41. The square root of 100, you know, is 10. And then we're going to subtract 19 on 10. Okay, so here are our two answers. We've got the positive of 41 take away 19, which is 22. And our second answer is the negative 41 on 10 take away 19, which is negative 60 on 10. Okay, now I know that that's going to come out to be negative 6. This I could say is 2.2. And there you have it. So that's about as hard as these questions are going to get. Alright, good luck with your questions.